nagbigay ng pahayag ang MPP at POC dahil kasalukuyan pa umanong dinidinig ang kaso. Nico Bawa, ABS-CBN News.
Julius, agsusuob. 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 Hi, Julius. Susuob. La, still have warm. I still have smoke. La, and then still. Oh, you see? Your sweating is good. It's okay. You're gonna change it. La, put your head there. The couch. Suob time.
It's hot.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm sweating now.
La, 2 more minutes. La, put your head on the couch. La, smell the smoke. Steam. Steaming. You okay?
Yeah.
Suob. Charan. This is Julius Suob. Asin at suka. Oh, let me see. You're sweating. Second day of steaming. Suob for Julius. Suob. La, smell the steam. Suob. What? Kano It's steaming. Suob. Nagsusuob si Julius kasi may ubo at sipon. You okay?
Yeah.
Your eyes hurt? Let me see. Close your eyes and then like that. Smell it. La, close your eyes. Basta, and then close your eyes. Just be careful. Don't touch it. Just close your eyes and smell the steam. You have to do breath. Like that. Nagadayo ka. Closer Basta. Closer Basta. La, closer. Only don't touch it. Second day of steaming. Second day of suob. Steaming, Julius. Closer Go closer. La, shika. Basta. Close your eyes. There is steam. Rice cooker. La. Smell. Closer. Come on. Close your eyes. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, kasama. Yeah, kasama.
Smells like
Yeah, there's vinegar and salt.
and the egg.
No, just water and water, salt, and vinegar. Okay, put your head inside. Ah,
My blanket, gonna put it here and then no.
yeah, just put it in your head. Basta. Huwag nga mabasa.
No.
Yeah, you move. Ta. Closer, ah. Only don't touch it. Closer. Basta. Close your eyes. Ano naman? What are you doing, Julius? Steaming. Suob. Say suob.
So,
Let me see your soup. Charan! This is Julius. You okay? It's a rice cooker with, we put water and vinegar to use for suob. Steaming. You okay now? You can breathe?